I received $200 from the owner to repair these scratches, while most of the scratches are very superficial and can only be removed by polishing. Please subscribe for more car repair tips. The car had hit another car and had minor scratches on the bodywork, which the owner thought was serious damage and would have to be painted. But we promised him that we would repair these scratches without painting the car. First, smooth the surface scratches with 2500 grit sandpaper to remove all the scratches from the killer coat. With one polishing step, it will be exactly like the first day. Now it's the turn of the car door. First we sand the surface scratches with 2500 grit to smooth them out, and there is a very deep scratch that needs to be repaired. For a deep scratch, we should use 1000 grit sandpaper and sand exactly inside the scratch to smooth the edges and completely disappear after the repair. Now mix the appropriate color with the car's color code with the hardener and pour a few drops on paper to make the steps easier to follow. Take a small piece of the paint with a small plastic card and fill the scratch in one step and let it dry for 10 minutes. And fill the second step with the plastic card as before until the scratch disappears completely, and let the paint dry for 1 hour. With 2500 grit sandpaper, smooth out the excess paint as much as you can until the paint is even with the fabric. And finally, with a medium or heavy cut polish, polish once and see the result. Please subscribe and like the channel for more repair videos. If you learned something new today, please leave a like. It really helps the channel.